Hey there, Internet. Keith here, and welcome to the Cars and Keith YouTube channel. Now, I'm in a very special place. I'm at DIY Detail in Omaha, Nebraska. I'm here with some special guests. I've got Fab Detailing, we've got Rag Garage, and Yvan from DIY Detail, and we actually have Nick behind the camera from DIY Detail as well. And we're going to wash Yvan's Jeep here, and it's already coated with Hydrolite, right?
Actually, C6 Hydro.
Okay.
Yeah, so the full-on pro coating.
Crazy good hydrophobics and water behavior. Has it been maintenance washed yet?
Nothing. This is the first wash. You guys are experiencing the first wash. It's been driven. It's been left outside. It's got dirt. It's got dust. It's been driven through the rain. All that fun stuff. It's got insects. So it's ready to go.
And we got the foam guys here, so we've got to do the foam. We got to stick with incredible Suds and all the other DIY Detail processes. Yvan's going to teach us along the way here and guide us along and, pick out our, help us get a little more efficient as well. So let's get into it.
Let's wash the Jeep, guys.
Yep.
Now, I'm going to turn my back. I'm actually going to walk out of the room because I know they tend to use more than 1 ounce of foam in the foam cannon, but we're going to give them incredible Suds.
Why be constrained by the rules?
We're going to give you a foam cannon that has water in it, and I'll be back when they get it ready.
Just gonna eyeball it here. Just eyeball it. Plus, they've got a lot of.
Oh yeah.
That's good. It's about 3 ounces. Yeah.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
What?
Yeah.
That's definitely more than an ounce. Yeah.
The filter right here is going to have a bad day after this one. It's going to clog up a little bit.
That's fine.
We can always clean it out. And with incredible Suds, it's a little thick. Give it a little shake. When you run an MJJC foam cannon like this, it's leak proof. So you can shake it up and down. You don't get your hands all greasy.
So, Yvan, question.
Yeah.
When you foam down a newly coated car, those hydrophobics will not be, in my mind, as dramatic as once the wash has occurred because you have debris on it.
Yeah.
I always get a bit worried when I first spray it. It doesn't do the magic as much as it will later on.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so I'm not crazy.
Yeah. So these gentlemen have conspired. I see there's still some incredible Suds left in the bottle, so that's a good sign. And I didn't leave them that much room in the thing. It's all mixed up.
May I?
Yes.
It's all mixed up.
It's all mixed up. Foam away. We'll be foaming twice. We always do a foam rinse.
We'll take turns. Do you mind if I go first?
Let the two foaming guys do it, because I'm not known for that at all. Rick, can you show me how you make your soap Suds go up?
I
Can you
can't.
show me really quick?
I can't show you that.
Oh,
it's too complicated.
I'll get you.
I hit the reverse button on my camera.
And here we thought Rick had some special magic trick. You're saying it's all in the camera work?
Anyone can do it.
Oh, come on.
But they better not. That's my trademark.
So how long do you want to let this dwell before you rinse?
We want to let it dwell a couple minutes.
Okay.
Basically, if you're working inside, let it dwell till the soap has gone down, most of it.
Okay.
I can get the wheels as well, Rick, please.
Oh yeah, right.
Now, are you worried about it drying on the paint at all?
No.
Okay.
No concerns about it drying. Of course, if you're working in direct sunlight, be cautious.
Okay.
So you know, you guys have your on right there, so just kind of close to it better.
I just finished up the wheels here, and I think we're all done.
What do we have here? Don't look at the label. Let's see if he knows.
GS28 from here.
He is correct.
Yeah. SG28.
SG28.
Okay.
Oh, this doesn't have the built-in swivel.
No.
But it's the SG28.
Okay. The foam has dwelled. Brian, you're the tallest one here.
Oh, man. I get the honor of doing this?
Yeah.
Don't spray me.
The initial hydrophobics.
Who put the tip on?
I did. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this looks really good. This looks absolutely amazing. It's not even really clean yet. These hydrophobics are actually kind of mind-blowing to me.
Yeah, and this is with it dirty.
This is what?
This is with the car dirty. It'll get better when it's clean.
That's what I mean.
We'll unlock it.
It's dirty, and it's beaten just absolutely amazing.
So a little bit unfamiliar setup for me right now. Actually, there's a 1622 TS Kranzler pressure washer over there. There's MJG Pro V2 foam cannon. I'm not quite sure. I'm not a big fan of the SG28 that they use here because it doesn't have the swivel, but I usually use the SGS28. We have a 25-degree tip. I'm not quite sure the orifice. We have MTM Veloci hose here. So it's still a great setup for what we're doing. The foam's gonna be amazing. So before we get into anything, don't forget to check out the links below for anything in the video. Don't forget Cars with Keeve. Code gets you 10% off on any of these DIY detail products that are gonna be used in the video.
You're the undisputed king of pressure washing, foam cannons, knowing all of this stuff. He said he could out-foam Rick. Let's just see what he can do here.
The word is excessive.
Yeah.
This passed your test, or you how you saw?
Oh yeah, look at this.
Yeah, it's just dripping off. Yeah, that's so satisfying. But your drips in Canada, they go the other
They go the other way because
in
of
Canada,
the polar vortex.
Yeah.
Since we don't have the swivel, we're fighting the hose just a little bit, but.
Hang on a minute. Oh, there you go.
There we go. And most people would save this for later, but I would just keep spraying it until it's empty.
Yeah,
but,
right.
For Ivan's sake, I'll save it.
Yeah, so we're gonna go around and do all the cracks and
Let's go.
Oh.
Oh, good. I don't have one.
YouTube now.
I don't have one of those.
Let me get that. Let me get that shot.
Get the emblem shots.
Hold on. How does it feel?
Oh, silk. It's like silk. There's so many spots on these Jeeps.
That's what I was just getting ready to say.
All
Yeah.
the drip areas from the hinges.
Oh yeah.
You guys are more than welcome to wear gloves too if you'd like.
I'm okay. Oh, look at that shot.
So is there really a need to get in there with a barrel brush then?
These are brand new wheels.
So don't do this?
Do it.
Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. Let Ivan lead the way here.
Well, he says this is a soft brush.
It is a soft brush, but the wheels are coated. They should just actually pressure wash clean.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. We got one.
Yeah, it
clean.
hasn't seen any Canadian salt.
Not yet.
It will.
Oh, definitely.
It will.
So we're gonna be doing the contact wash. Again, Incredible Suds. Now, I'm not gonna let these guys dilute the Incredible Suds because it's too much. All we need is a cap full. In the bucket, we have a little over, well, probably have close to 5 gallons in the bucket. Now we have a little left in the foam cannon. If you wanna,
Just pour that in.
if you
there.
wanna do the volcano.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
Go.
That should be enough.
You want me to just throw it on there?
Sure. There you go. You're out. Oh, we're gonna use those. Okay.
Oh.
You have your choice of sponge or mitt.
Mitt.
Well, I like mitt.
Dan, you took
Yes.
the mitt.
You sure?
Yeah.
It could be funny that you have the sponge.
Yeah.
Wow. That is super slick.
Don't worry about the roof itself.
No?
Yeah, I'm not calling off the reach.
I'll get it. Oh yeah. I'll get 33% of it.
This panel is so slick.
Yeah, it's just glides.
So the combination of the Incredible Suds lubrication and the coating is making this literally effortless to spin around. So it's super slick on the surface.
I've always said, if it feels like you're working, you're doing something
Yeah.
wrong.
I mean, that just glides effortlessly.
Thank you.
So do you have anything on the glass?
The windshield, we have hydro glass.
Okay.
C6 hydro glass.
Okay.
Give me a little money shot.
How's that sponge doing?
Good.
Mr. Brian.
Yep.
I get some criticism because I use a sponge like a mitt. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I'm trying to be very disciplined today.
That work?
Looks like a detailer right there. Knows what they're doing. How many grown men does it take to wash a cup?
I don't know, but we're gonna all be washing all over each other.
Did someone already get the rear?
No, I just got the top.
Okay.
There's no wrong way of doing this. Some people like to put their hands in the mitt,
Already got
some
this,
don't. Some like to use a sponge, some like to use a chenille mitt. It's up to you. Have fun with what you're doing. That's the important part.
So I noticed that you're not using multiple buckets for the wash process.
No.
Which
and-
goes against some people's beliefs What do you say to people that say you have to have multiple buckets?
We did a foam, a rinse, then a foam.
So that's why.
That first foam takes care of all the grit on the vehicle. The rinsing with that foam takes just about everything off. All we have left to remove is traffic film.
Okay.
So there's not a lot to get off the vehicle. There's not a big amount to take off. Now, if you're not doing the foam, rinse, foam, because a lot of people, they'll foam it and then they start washing on that.
Yeah.
Then the 2 buckets.
Then you need 2 buckets.
Yeah.
Okay. Just curious about that.
Yeah, and then I prefer like this. I would just use one, use it up, and then toss it, and then use another one with the bucket instead of going back.
I'm half ready to go. I don't have a nozzle.
I had to check the nozzle. There you go.
Yeah.
I'm not used to a non-swiveling. This is a lot
That's a
of.
big- and
That's a
I'm-
lot of.
I hear people complain. They're like, my hose coil said, well, if you don't have a
not fun.
swivel, it's going to
Yeah.
coil.
How much difference it looking?
Well, those initial hydrophobics just after the first foam
Yeah.
were so good.
Yeah.
But look at that.
Yeah. Hydrophobic
It's
is
just
crazy.
movement, right? That water, uncoated vehicle, that water just kind of sticks there.
Yeah.
That's a lot of real estate on a Jeep. Normally done by now.
Yep.
could
Hand
probably,
gets wore out.
Gentlemen, the wash process, the rinse process, what are your thoughts?
Super easy.
Yeah.
And slick.
Slick? Okay,
Very
good.
slick.
The excess of foam wasn't too much?
It was not
It's
enough.
more than what I normally do.
Okay.
Just perfect.
These two are saying
Just
not
perfect.
enough. We're saying more than what we normally do. We're going to be using C6 Mist as the drying aid. Now, C6 Mist can be used a number of different ways. One is actually as a rinse aid. So you can use it with your pressure washer to rinse it off. We already have enough water on the floor. We don't need to do that. So we're going to use it as a traditional spray and wipe drying aid. For these two, less is more. So don't need to be overspraying. 1 spray per panel is all you need.
Okay. Let's try it out.
Enjoy.
Now, is this just a wipe off or is it wipe and buff?
Wipe off.
Wipe off.
So it's gonna be probably 1 per side on the hood.
Yeah,
Would you say?
so just if you put a little spray, you'll see how it makes the water move a little bit. You'll see it more
less
on the
is more.
doors. So if you put just a spray on the door, Mike, you'll see just how it drops off the water.
Oh, yeah, you can see that.
Yeah, and where you spray is where you put the towel. So first time using, what are your thoughts on the fragrance or the smell?
Smells pretty good. Let me see that bottle.
Yeah, it's not like
Yeah.
an overpowering
Yeah, it's
smell.
not. Which is, I want my products to smell good that I'm using, but I don't want them to give me a headache.
So is that
Yeah, we missed the mud.
rookies?
Bunch of rookies.
Hold on. Coming in with
This is where blowers come in handy to me. See, and when it comes to Jeeps, there's so much stuff that water can leak out of when you're done drying.
Oh, I know.
Just these hinges and just
I know.
it just comes out of everywhere.
So that was a great experience, a collaborative effort with great friends and great content creators. Everything worked well. Everything's nice and slick. So don't forget to check out the links below for anything in the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.
Quiet down, Pan.
And then when you say, let's do it, the other's gonna say, I don't wanna do it.
Whatever you ready for prime time, everything looking good, except for Ray.
I know. Resting bitch face.
They do.
I love that.
Well, that is your initials. So
It is my initials.
yeah.
One take, one take.
We've all been doing one
One
take.
take.
Everyone nailed it, baby.
We're just gonna be like, bye.
So until next video, keep it tight. Keep no.